Stop. Before we say anything.
Answer this right now.
She don't know. Correct or wrong?
Don't answer yet. Hold it.
He didn't went. Correct or wrong?
Still hold it.
Do he like pizza? Correct or wrong?
3 sentences. 3 very common mistakes.
And if you made even one of those mistakes before,
Today, you will never make them again.
welcome to English the Natural Way.
I'm Sulafat.
And I'm Charon. And today, we are destroying one of the biggest confusion zones in English grammar.
Do, did, and does.
3 small words.
Massive impact.
They show up in questions, in negatives, in short answers.
And most learners, even intermediate learners, are still guessing.
Not after today.
Let's go.
Section 1. What are do, did, and does actually doing?
First, a truth that changes everything.
Do, did, and does. They are not random words.
They are helping verbs, also called auxiliary verbs.
Their job is to help the main verb.
Think of it like this.
The main verb is the actor, the star of the show.
And do, did, does, they are the director, behind the scenes, making everything work.
Without them, questions sound broken. Negatives sound broken.
With them, everything flows.
So let's meet each one.
Number 1, do.
Do is used with I, you, we, they.
Present tense, habits, facts, things that happen regularly.
I do, you do, we do, they do.
Number 2, does.
Does is used with he, she, it.
Also present tense, but only third person singular.
He does, she does, it does.
Number 3, did.
Did is the past tense for everyone.
I did, you did, he did, she did, we did, they did.
Past tense, did handles everyone, 0 exceptions.
Now here's the critical rule. Listen very carefully.
When you use do, does, or did in a question or negative,
The main verb goes back to its base form.
base form, no S, no ED, no ING.
Just the simplest version of the verb.
This right here is where most people crash.
Does she likes? Wrong.
Did he went? Wrong.
Because does already carries the third person signal. She doesn't need likes, she needs like.
Because did already carries the past signal. He doesn't need went, he needs go.
One verb does the grammar work. The main verb just sits in base form.
One job each, no sharing.
Got it? Let's test it with real life.
Subscribe to English the Natural Way right now. This episode is just getting started.
Section 2. 5 real situations, real English, real life.
Situation 1. The morning routine.
Maya wakes up at 6 a.m. every day. Her friend asks about her habits.
Friend, do you wake up early?
Maya: Yes, I do. I wake up at 6 every morning.
Do with you, present habit, base form, wake.
Then the friend asks about Maya's sister.
Does your sister wake up early too?
No, she doesn't. She wakes up at 9.
Did you notice what just happened there?
In the question, does your sister wake, base form.
In the statement, she wakes, because now there's no helper. Normal sentence, normal rule.
The helper only appears in questions and negatives, not in regular statements.
Feel that difference.
Situation 2. Last weekend.
Tom is talking to his coworker about the weekend.
Coworker: Did you watch the match? Tom: No, I didn't watch it. I worked all day.
Did in the question, didn't in the negative. Base form, watch, both times.
Not didn't watched, not didn't watching.
Just watch. Clean, simple. Then, did your team win?
Tom: I don't know. I didn't watch.
Did you notice what just happened there?
Tom used don't in a present sentence, I don't know, and didn't in a past sentence, I didn't watch.
2 different tenses, 2 different helpers, same conversation.
The tense changes, the helper changes with it, automatically.
Situation 3. The job interview.
Interviewer, do you have experience with customer service? Candidate, yes, I do. I worked at a bank for 2 years.
Interviewer, does the candidate speak other languages? Asking the assistant.
Assistant, she does. She speaks French and Spanish.
Do with you, does with she. Both present, both correct.
Then, did you manage a team before? Candidate, yes, I did. I managed a team of 5 people.
Did for the past question. Did in the short answer.
Short answers, this is important.
You don't repeat everything. You just echo the helper.
Do you like this job? Yes, I do.
Does he speak English? Yes, he does.
Did they finish? No, they didn't.
Did you notice what just happened there?
The helper carries all the information in a short answer. Tense, subject, positive or negative.
One word, full meaning. That's power.
Situation 4. A phone call home.
Priya is calling her mother.
Mom, do you eat properly? Do you sleep enough?
Priya, yes, Mom, I do. I eat well and I sleep 8 hours.
Then Mom asks,
Does your roommate cook?
she does sometimes, but mostly we order food.
Then Mom gets worried. Did you take your medicine this morning?
Oh, I didn't. I forgot.
Did you notice what just happened there?
All 3 helpers appeared in one phone call. Do, does, did.
The conversation moved from present habits to past actions.
The helper changed automatically with the tense.
That's natural English. That's how it flows.
Situation 5. A classroom.
Teacher, does everyone understand the assignment?
Students, we do.
Teacher, did you finish your essay, Carlos?
Carlos, I did. I finished last night.
Teacher, does your essay include 3 examples?
Carlos, it does. I checked.
Teacher, do the examples connect to the main idea?
Carlos, they do. I checked.
Did you notice what just happened there?
Every question used a helper. Do, does, or did.
Every short answer echoed that helper.
No long repetition. No awkward answers.
Just clean, confident, natural English.
Section 3. The mistake zone. Let's catch some thieves.
Now we go into the most common mistakes.
And we are going to feel why they are wrong.
Mistake 1.
Wrong. She don't like coffee.
Correct. She doesn't like coffee.
She is third person singular. Present tense negative needs doesn't, not don't.
Don't is for I, you, we, they, never for she.
Mistake 2.
Wrong. Did he went to school?
Correct. Did he go to school?
Did already tells us past tense. The main verb goes to base form.
Go, not went. Did carries the past. Go stays clean.
Wrong. She didn't came.
Correct. She didn't come.
Didn't already has the past. Come, not came.
One past verb per structure. Didn't takes that role.
Mistake 3.
Wrong. Do he play football?
Correct. Does he play football?
He is third person singular. Present question needs does, not do.
Wrong. Do they work here?
Correct. Do they work here?
They is plural. Plural needs do. Does is only for he, she, it.
Mistake 4.
Wrong. I didn't knew the answer.
Correct. I didn't know the answer.
Knew is past, but didn't is already past. Main verb returns to base, know.
Wrong. We didn't finish the project.
Correct. We didn't finish the project.
Every time you write didn't, check the next verb. Is it base form?
If it has ed, remove it. If it's irregular past, bring it back.
Didn't went, wrong. Didn't go, correct.
Didn't ate, wrong. Didn't eat, correct.
Didn't came, wrong. Didn't come, correct.
Feel the pattern. Own it.
Mistake 5.
Wrong. Does she knows you?
Correct. Does she know you?
Does already handles the third person. No stays as no, not knows.
Wrong. Do you likes pizza?
Correct. Do you like pizza?
Do in the question, like in base form, not likes.
The S never goes on the main verb in questions or negatives.
Does already has the S energy. The main verb doesn't need it.
Section 4. The emphasis trick. Native speakers do this. Do you?
Here is something most textbooks never teach.
Do, does, and did, they can show emphasis in positive sentences too.
Not just questions, not just negatives.
Someone doesn't believe you. Normal. I like your cooking.
Emphatic. I do like your cooking. I really do.
Normal. She works hard.
Emphatic. She does work hard. You just don't see it.
Normal. He called you.
Emphatic. He did call you. Check your phone.
Native speakers use this constantly.
I do understand. I'm not stupid. I get it.
She does care. Don't say she doesn't.
We did try. Don't blame us.
Stress always falls on the helper, not the main verb.
I do like it. Stress on do.
She does know. Stress on does.
They did finish. Stress on did.
This one trick makes you sound native. Use it today. Now, we are going to line them up.
Same idea. 3 different times, 3 different helpers.
This is where everything clicks together.
Example 1. Eating habits.
Present. I, you, we, they. Do you eat breakfast?
Present. He, she, it. Does she eat breakfast?
Past. Everyone. Did they eat breakfast yesterday?
Only the helper changes. The main verb, eat, stays the same every time.
Example 2. Studying.
Do we study every day? Present. We.
Does he study every day? Present. He.
Did you study last night? Past. You.
Study stays study. The helper does all the heavy lifting.
Example 3. Negatives.
I don't like cold weather. Present. I.
She doesn't like cold weather. Present. She.
We didn't like the cold last winter. Past. We.
Same feeling, same meaning, different helpers.
Don't, doesn't, didn't.
3 helpers, 3 situations, 1 rule. Base form every time.
Example 4. Short answers in a real conversation.
Do you like working from home?
I do, actually. It suits me.
Does your manager allow it?
She does. She trusts the team.
Did you work from home before?
I didn't. I was always in the office.
Did you notice what just happened there?
Short answers flowing naturally. Do, does, did. Each one matched perfectly to the question.
No confusion, no hesitation, just the system working.
We go rapid fire now.
We say the wrong sentence, you fix it in your head before we reveal.
Ready?
He don't understand the rules.
Pause.
He doesn't understand. 3rd person singular. Doesn't, not don't.
Did she went to the hospital? Pause.
Did she go? Base form. Did handles the past.
Do they play basketball? Pause.
Do they play? They needs do, not does.
I didn't knew his name. Pause.
I didn't know. Base form, not new.
Do she like chocolate? Pause.
Does she like? She needs does.
They doesn't work on Sundays. Pause.
They don't work. They needs don't, not doesn't.
Did you finish your homework? Pause.
Did you finish? Base form, not finished.
How many did you get right?
Tell us in the comments. Be honest.
7 out of 7. You are ahead of most intermediate learners right now.
Less than 5. Go back to section 3. Read slowly. The brain learns through repetition.
Quick review. Everything in one place.
Let's bring it all home.
Do. Present tense. I, you, we, they.
Does. Present tense. He, she, it.
Did. Past tense. Everyone.
In questions and negatives, main verb is always base form.
Don't. Present negative. I, you, we, they.
Doesn't, present negative, he, she, it.
Didn't. Past negative. Everyone.
Short answers echo the helper. Yes, I do. No, she doesn't. Yes, they did.
Emphasis in positive sentences. I do like it. She does care. We did try.
Main verb always, 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 base form when a helper is present.
That's the rule. That's the whole rule.
No exceptions, just the system.
Final message. Your challenge today.
Before you leave,
One challenge.
write 3 sentences in the comments.
One with do, one with does, one with did.
About your real life, your real day.
Do I drink coffee every morning? Yes, I do.
Does my friend speak English? She does.
Did I study last night? I didn't. I watched the show.
Anything. Your life, your sentences.
We read the comments. We correct mistakes. We reply.
This community is how you grow.
And if this episode helped you,
If even one mistake became clear,
hit subscribe. Hit the bell.
because next week we are going into something that confuses learners at every level.
You will not want to miss it.
I'm Sulafat.
I'm Sharon.
Keep going.
Keep growing.
See you in the next one.